Hello friends, welcome to Happy Pick channel. Today I am going to display a few of my favorites and most loved necklaces from our necklace collection. All these neck pieces are carefully curated, keeping the latest trends in mind, and all these are made up of premium quality. These neck pieces have copper and brass as their base material. So come, let's see what we have in store today. So the first necklace we are going to see is a beautiful two-layer AD stone studded matte finish long necklace. This won't be short, or it is not in a length that we can call as haram. It is a long necklace and is studded with beautiful AD stones and CG stones. So let's see how it looks when worn. So this will be the pair of earrings you will be getting with this set. So this is how beautifully it looks when worn. I love this necklace and I hope you love it too. Come, we'll see the next necklace. The second necklace we are going to see is a beautiful Mahalakshmi Devi carved necklace in pan shape. This necklace is overloaded with gemstones. Gemstone jewelry is in so much trend nowadays, and I personally love gem jewelries. It completes your traditional look, and this one is a beautiful gem jewelry in matte finish. See, Mahalakshmi Devi carved, gemstone studded, beautiful Devi necklace. So let's see how it looks. So this necklace set comes with a long pair of beautiful matching jhumkas. Jhumkas are also studded with red and green gemstones. Real gemstones are studded in this necklace set and in matte finish. I personally feel this necklace set completes my saree look, and I hope you also love this set. I completely feel satisfied wearing this necklace set for my saree, and I think it will be my regular go-to jewelry for my traditional outfits. Hope you love this set. So this is how the necklace set looks, and this is priced for 2899, and the previous necklace set it was priced for 2799. So let's go and see the next necklace set. The third necklace we are going to see is also one neck piece that covers your neck so beautifully. This is also a gem overloaded necklace, and only gemstone color that is used is ruby gemstones or Rani gemstones. And this is also a matte finish necklace. This is also a matte finish necklace where we have golden ghungroo balls at each of the mango pan or mango leaf design. So the base is filled with mango leaf design, and Mahalakshmi Devi is carved inside each mango leaf, and it is a beautiful neck piece. Come, let's see how it looks when worn. This set comes with a pair of cute jhumkas, matte finish jhumkas, where the umbrella of the jhumkas are carved with Mahalakshmi Devi, and the jhumkas are also studded with ruby gemstones. So this is how it covers your neck so beautifully. I am in love with this necklace, and you can pair this beautiful ruby stone studded, ruby gemstone studded necklace with any of your red color saree or green color saree. That will be a beautiful contrasting pair, and the jhumkas will look like this. Yeah, so I'm in love with this set. Hope you also like this set. So this necklace set is priced for rupees 2799. Come, let's see what we have in the store next. The fourth necklace we are going to see is a darling necklace. It is a super unique neck piece studded with beautiful AD stones. So it is a Gutta Puslu inspired design, and we call it AD Gutta Puslu Rani necklace. So this is how it looks. It is super shiny and is given a micro gold polish to give it an original gold look. So the Gutta Puslu necklace design will have so much of pearls, and yes, this necklace also has so much of pearls which adds beauty to the necklace. So come, let's see how it looks when worn. So this is the pair of jhumkas, cute pair of jhumkas that come with this set. Micro gold polish Rani AD necklace. So this is how it looks when worn. These jhumkas are so beautiful and complement this necklace so very well, and it's a perfect go-to jewelry for any kind of traditional outfit. So this necklace is priced for 3549. So let's see the next and the last necklace. The last and the final necklace that we are going to see today is everyone's favorite. I hope everyone's favorite is a Kasumala. I guess everyone loves Kasumala, Kasharam, and I personally love it too. So the last design we are going to see is a beautiful Kasumala or Kasa necklace studded with real gemstones and beautiful AD stones. I'll show you how beautiful it looks when worn. And this is the pair of cute, very traditional and a beautiful pair of jhumkas that comes with this set. These jhumkas are also matte finished, comes with a beautiful pearl surrounded by cute little pearls, and also studded with AD stones and real gemstones. I'll wear and show this. I wish I have so many pictures in this set, and this is how the complete set looks. I love this ting sound of this pair of jhumkas. I love this set completely, and I guess this traditional Kasumala design is there for decades, and I wish everyone will have one Kasumala design necklace or haram in their closet. So this is how the necklace looks, and the price of this beautiful necklace set is only 3199. So all the necklaces you have seen so far can be purchased at www.happypic.in. I'll be giving the link in the description box below. I'll also add each separate links for each jewelry, each necklace set, so that it will be easier for you to purchase. So that is all for today. I'll be visiting you again with another part 2 video of our necklace collection, because there are so many beautiful necklace collection that I wish to show you. And yeah, so I'll be visiting you again. Until then, it's Akshaya signing off. Bye.